I don't know if you can hear this, but this is absolutely crazy. We're at Chicago Midway, and I actually flew the approach a little high because I thought I was going to get hit by fireworks. You can see it, they're all around. There's a haze from the fire, all the fireworks and stuff. You can see that plane on approach. And look at the fireworks, how close the fireworks we're going to get to it. Absolutely crazy. So coming in, all around, everywhere around the city is just fireworks. You can hear everything going off. You can see that when we were coming in, they were actually above the airplane, right on short final. See how they're going off. So Chicago's definitely lighting them up tonight.